Brace yourselves. India is heading for a scorching summer like never before. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a dire warning: more heat wave days, record breaking temperatures, and an unparalleled assault on lives and livelihoods. For a country used to blistering summers, this year's forecast is nothing short of terrifying. Temperatures will soar past 45 degrees Celsius, but the real shocker: the number of heat wave days is set to double, or even worse. East India alone could suffer through 10 plus days of extreme heat, a dramatic rise from the usual 4 to 7. A nation on the edge, who's at risk. From packed metro cities to rural heartlands, no one is safe. Infants, the elderly, and those with pre-existing conditions face life-threatening risk. But the worst hit will be outdoor workers, farmers, and those struggling under the sun, exposed, exhausted, and vulnerable. Urban dwellers aren't spared either. Concrete jungles trap heat, turning cities into ovens, while power grids and water supplies buckle under demand. Expect blackouts, water shortages, and a public health crisis. The hidden death toll: heat stress isn't just about discomfort, it kills. Dehydration, dizziness, organ failure, and death. The World Health Organization estimates that at least 500,000 people die from heat annually, but the true number could be 30 times higher. Is India prepared? After last year's longest ever heat wave, are we ready? The IMD is pushing for emergency heat action plans, including cooling centers, heat advisories, and urgent urban planning interventions. This is no longer just summer, it's a survival battle. Climate change is here, it's brutal, and it's only getting worse.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.